Hi everyone, welcome back to Vintage Nook. My name is Michelle, and I'm so excited to have you here today. In this video, we'll explore 20 amazing DIY decor ideas to bring 2025's color trends into your small modern cottage kitchen. Whether you're looking for small updates or bold transformations, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive right in. Transform your kitchen by painting your cabinets in a soft sage green or powder blue, colors that embody the 2025 pastel trend. Add vintage-style knobs for a cozy, timeless look that blends cottage charm with modern functionality. Create a functional and stylish open shelf display using natural wood planks. Decorate with terracotta pots, pastel dishes, and glass jars filled with staples to bring an airy and organic touch to your space. Give your kitchen walls a fresh look with peel-and-stick tiles in earthy tones like sand beige and clay brown. These warm shades instantly elevate your space, making it feel both modern and inviting. Brighten up your kitchen with repainted bar stools in sunset orange or rosy pink. These vibrant colors add a playful touch to your space and contrast beautifully with neutral walls. Design a cozy braided rug using fabric strips in mustard yellow and olive green. This DIY project adds comfort and charm to your cottage-style kitchen, especially by the sink area. Why leave your ceiling plain? Paint it in a soft lavender hue to add a touch of sophistication and depth to your modern cottage kitchen. Frame colorful fabric swatches in dusty lilac and peach blush. Hang them as a gallery wall to bring an artistic, personal touch to your kitchen decor. Upcycle mason jars into stylish light fixtures by painting them with frosted glass paint in seafoam green. These lights will beautifully complement your rustic cottage kitchen. Repurpose an old dish rack by painting it in cool aqua. Use it to showcase your favorite plates and mugs, adding a quaint touch to your kitchen. Divide your kitchen walls horizontally and paint the lower half in mocha brown and the upper half in creamy white. This two-tone effect gives your kitchen a modern yet cozy look. Mount a wooden shelf and arrange small herb pots painted in lime green and yellow ochre. This simple DIY idea brings life and freshness to your cooking space. Line your drawers with colorful adhesive papers in floral or geometric patterns. These little pops of color make opening drawers a delightful experience. Create a memo board from cork tiles, painting them in coral pink or soft mint. Use it to keep recipes, notes, or to-do lists in style. Hand paint plain ceramic tiles in pastel lavender and sky blue. Use these tiles as decorative coasters or trivets for a personal touch in your kitchen. Sew or repurpose curtains in a gingham or striped pattern with buttercream yellow and sage green tones. These soft fabrics complete your cottage kitchen vibe. Stain a wooden tray in a warm walnut tone and use it to organize oils, salts, and spices. This practical piece doubles as elegant decor for your countertop. Turn an old tin can into a utensil holder by painting it in deep teal and distressing it slightly. It's a simple yet charming way to store your kitchen tools. Craft a wooden sign with the word "Gather" or "Stay a While," painting it in neutral grays or soft lavender. Hang it to add a cozy, welcoming message to your kitchen. Repurpose an old wooden ladder by painting it in ivory white and hanging it from the ceiling. Use it as a stylish rack for pots and pans. Create textured wall art using spackle on a canvas. Paint it in earthy tones like burnt sienna and moss green to bring warmth and dimension to your kitchen decor. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope these ideas inspire you to get creative in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vintage Nook for more home decor inspiration, and leave a comment below to tell me your favorite DIY idea. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay creative.